Okay, I'm going to start dealing with this Google Voice and talk to the AI about various topics. So I'm going to try the MSN Recorder Max and record full screen, then copy the file name to my notepad and start recording. Then I'm going to place it on the right corner of the screen there so I can monitor it this way, and then go back to my notepad, to the top of my notepad, and put in the video file name. But I want to segregate it in a certain area here. So I'm going to mark it by open parentheses and close parentheses and start with a video file name that I created, and then close parentheses to segregate it from the rest of my notepad. Then I can paste the message that I got from Google concerning the Google Voice number. Copy it to my notepad and then delete it from the message. Make it a little smaller here so it doesn't take the entire screen, and then paste it into my notepad. Control V. The next thing I want to do is I need to log into WizMoBiz. Copy to the clipboard buffer, and then open another instance and see if I can log into this account and make an outbound call from this Google Voice number so I don't lose the number. So I paste the WizMoBiz account, and then I go to the next step, log into it, and then I want to skip everything else and not deal with anything else for now. So now when I go to Google Voice, so I'm selecting the voice icon. At this point, first of all, I have a few of those spammies that I have to get rid of. So I want to get rid of these spammies. A whole bunch of them here, starting with this one. 2, 3, 4, and delete them. Then I want to make an outbound call to ChatGPT. Tell me about WizMoreBiz. WizMore.biz, which is the domain name, and its matching telephone number. That's I have a pair of a domain name and a telephone number, a vanity phone number for this domain name. The domain name is wizmore.biz. Not no 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 not no no. This is listen. This you have to understand first what it is. This is not wish. It is whiz, like wizard. Wiz wizmore.biz. Did you get it? Yes. Why would it not let you? I don't want you to match it with anything. I want to tell you that I have matched it already. Do you understand? The question the question that I want to ask you is how can I further develop this Wizmo Biz with the idea of offering AI wizard strategies to businesses to get more businesses? Yeah, what I want to do is I want to partner with somebody since by background I'm very specialized in the area of business and accounting and IT, information technology. So I want to focus on that rather than spread myself too thin. Yeah, that sounds very good. What do you think about it? Yes, and I have another pair of domain name and phone number that spells the words call babe AI that has to do with maybe a call center using AI. Yeah, I'm struggling because I'm also a professor, so I want to teach. I want to include it in my teaching, and I'm afraid that called Babe AI sounds a little too sleazy, and I don't want to get involved in all kind of pornography and all kinds of other things that when you say call Babe AI, people think about all kinds of sleazy operations. No, I was thinking to keep the same name, which I have already, so I don't want to go and look for another name. But I was thinking to do something that will be more in the line of AI chatbot that is personalized and customized, so people can talk with their friends and customize the personality, the personality of themselves, something like that. By giving assignment to the students and use that as an example of a vanity phone number that spells a domain name and is focused on AI, like personal AI or character AI. Yeah, and the other thing that is important about it is the element of being imaginative. So when AI hallucinates, I don't have to worry about it because it is all about the future and about imagining and imagination. I'm planning to use also a caller AI, like 800 call chat GPT. You're not a crawler, not a crawler, a caller, Caller, caller AI, an AI that can make phone calls and receive phone calls. The students will have an assignment to make a website and also include a caller AI using VAPI, voice API. Yes, and it will also give them an advantage in the marketplace when they go to look for a job. Companies will be impressed by what they have accomplished by their website and also by their caller AI. Yes, especially since most of our students are business majors, so they are not programmers, unlike myself, and so I want them to do things that do not involve a lot of programming. Rather, I want them to fill out templates which VAPI provides. Yeah, so I've done it already for one semester, but I didn't include a video recognition, which I want to add in the current semester. I'm planning to use PickyBot. PickyBot records video, a minute video, and then it transcribes, narrates, and uploads it to the server so the students can download the video and the narration, and without adding any more, spending any more time, publish it on their website. Yes, I'm not asking you for any specific request. I'm just telling you of what I have done. I've used PiggyBot to record video, 1 minute video clips, and then let PiggyBot narrate it and transcribe it and provide the description of the video without me having to do anything but aiming the phone and pressing the PiggyBot button to start recording. Yes, and it makes it also for foreign students, it makes it, they don't know English well. It makes for an excellent idea to not have to deal with the English language since my course is about introduction to IT. I need to focus on IT and technology, and that gives me a chance to do that. Yes, it's also a matter of the instructor. If you have a foreign instructor like myself, that their native language is not English and they speak with a heavy accent, it is also easier for the instructor to learn to modify his accent or accent to make it more like an American accent when you listen to the AI talk and the AI keeps talking with an American accent. It makes it easier for the instructor to explain it with their voice and then let PickyBot listen to the voice and transcribe it in proper English. Yes, and also to make a sort of a video diary. Anybody can take a minute clip, a video clip, even if they are not a programmer and they are not an English speaker, and let Piggybot narrate it, transcribe it, and deal with the English aspect and focus on the information technology and the AI aspect of it. Yes, and I want also, I'm streaming it also live on YouTube Live, and I have a lot of followers from around the world, and they will understand better the AI, the Piggybot AI accent, the American accent, rather than my own accent. So I don't want it to be like the United Nations when different different language speaker try to collaborate with each other with broken English and not understanding each other. And also it helps me learn to talk to AI in a way that I can get immediately the feedback from the AI. When I see that the AI cannot interpret my English properly, I can repronounce it in a way that will be clearer to the AI. Yeah, exactly. For example, last time I spoke to I was trying to pronounce the word whiz, like wizard, but AI understood it to be wish, like WISH, because of my pronouncing whiz, not emphasizing and breaking down the syllables properly. Especially since it is done in real time, which means that I get the feedback from the AI right away, and I have a chance to correct myself until the AI understands it correctly. Thank you. And I'm thinking about making a blog that focuses on AI videos too. So that will be another way that I can illustrate it. Yes, especially since I can become very efficient using Piggybot to create content. Yes, and at the same time, I don't have to transcribe my videos because when I talk about it, the AI already takes my audio, then watches the images, describes the images, and integrates the video explanation of the images with my audio, producing a properly written and narrated English description of the video. Yes, I'm not asking you to help me with it. I'm just telling you the advantage of using a program like Pickybot to overcome my challenge of having to narrate a video myself. Because when I narrate it with my accent, a lot of people cannot understand it. Why would your guideline not let you assist with it? What what does FYI mean? For your information. Okay, I got it. For your information. FYI. Is that correct? So I understand that it is limited to about 15 minutes per month per email address. Is that true? What exactly is the limitation? Oh, tied to my. Okay, go ahead. It's tied to my phone number rather than the email address. So let me summarize it. For now, for each phone number is limited to 15 minutes per month. Is that the proper description? So that means in the next month I'll be able, with the same phone number, make another 15 minutes call. Without downloading anything. And if I download the app, would the app run also on Windows, on iOS and Android? On which operating system will the app run? Okay, but you don't have an app for Windows. Then I just use the browser. Okay, thank you very much. I got that. So I'll talk to you next month. Bye now. You too. You can help me by help me develop this blog AI vid. The blog AI vid is a blog about AI videos. Yeah, and no, I'm looking for tips about what exactly to cover in the blog, so it will be interesting to people to listen to it, and also it will be good enough for myself that is something that I can deliver and I can use an example for my classes. Yes, but I would like to do something that involves physical activity and especially outdoor activity because as being a software developer and a professor, I spend too many hours sitting in front of a computer. So I would like to do something about video, AI video, AI interpretation of video, or AI video and object recognition, and do it outdoors, like tourist attractions in Florida, like the Everglades and things like that. Sounds very good. I was looking for things to do also, activities outdoors that people at all ages and families can be involved in, and people that are even, if they're 70 years old, that are not exerting so much energy but are involving physical activity. Yeah, especially I was thinking to use the new Google Glasses as a strategy and use the live streaming from Google Glasses, the new glasses that are about to come out in July. It's called Oki, some kind of. So this is what I was thinking to do. I'll get myself and my partner a couple of those Oki Meta glasses that are supposed to come out in July or after July. Yes, and I was thinking also that it is important that we both have it so we can film each other and we can illustrate the functionality as well as the action of somebody that wears the glasses. Especially, it's important that you have two people, both of them wear the goggles, while one is filming or shooting the other, They also illustrate the concept and also show the results and take technology to the next level and use PickyBot to narrate and interpret it, making it very efficient and another use of technology. Yes, this app is called PickyBot. PICCY and bot, like robot, BOT. Can you recall it? Yes, I'm thinking what can I do as a regular activity. Yeah, it sounds like you great, and I was thinking also to work with the city of Coral Gables or the city of Miami. Yes, I already discussed it with several people that are blind and are using them to provide access to the blind. Yes, especially for universities, since universities have to provide equal access to the blind based on the U.S. Disabilities Act. It will save them a lot of money if there are a lot of people in the class, including the professor, that are streaming it live and narrating and translating it to multiple languages like the AI can do. Yes, and it will be so much better or so much less expensive than having to hire a narrator that can listen to the lecture and narrate it. Yeah, especially since the narrator is also taking the class or teaching the class, they can do a better job than a narrator that doesn't know anything about the topic. Yeah, not only the instructor, but also the students can wear it, and the students can narrate it, and so on. And in so doing, also create a community of practice as a model for other instructors in other universities to become more cost effective and also learn about deploying the AI technology in practice. Especially in teaching a hybrid class, which is part some students that are online and some students that are locally, then this multiple streaming is really important. Okay, are you still there? Yes, I'm thinking about how I can deal with this Google Voice. I have to make an outbound call to retain my number. Yeah, I have set it up, but I have to make an outbound call still. Yes, that's exactly how I set it up. Yes, I have to set up a system that can tell me which number, how, when did I call the number, and so on, so I won't get confused. And when Google sends me the alert, I would be able to figure out if I called this number yet or not or what. Yes, no, that will work for me. Yes, sometimes Google gives me this message that I have too many open accounts and I have to log out from all the accounts and then log back in. You know what I mean? I have to go to Google, log out from all the accounts, and then log back in. Are you still there? Let me figure out how to deal with my USA clock work, vanity number, and domain name and phone number. And not exactly, I have this USA clock work domain and name and vanity phone number, and I need to figure out what to do with it. And I want to integrate it with AI, like USA, like Amazon's USA clock that works also as an AI, like Alexa. Yes, like the clock with AI with Alexa in it, or some other devices that have Alexa in them. Yes, I don't want to reinvent the wheel, but I want to have a website and a phone number that illustrates devices like clocks that include AI in them built in, like um, the little clock box that Amazon sells with Alexa built in. What are other devices that have a clock in them, like the Amazon TV, for example, that have AI and AI built into them, like the Alexa TV? Yes, I want to focus on Alexa on Amazon Fire TV. What do you think about that? I think something like maybe home automation and videography, security and surveillance, home security and surveillance. Yeah, I was thinking to make a site that reviews Alexa's various functionalities, especially the AI functionality. That's it. And now I'm looking for other devices that are similar to Fire TV. I like to have small TVs that implement AI in them. Do you know of any other TVs that compete with the Amazon Fire TV? Yeah, that's it. I'm getting a little tired now. Yeah, because I need to store the document what I'm doing, so I have a record of what I'm doing, and I don't lose this number, this Google Voice number. And I'm getting a little disoriented and exhausted and falling asleep while I'm talking to you. Bye now. Oh, so tired. I really need to rest a little. Just too tired. Folder upload. I want to upload this folder. Artwork. Delete. I have to stop now. I'm just getting too